Afternoon guys, welcome back to the vlog. Tiny in Thailand. I hope you're well. I hope you're enjoying the videos so far on this trip in June 2026. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to go to numerous hotels because where I'm staying in the Eureka Lodge, hopefully you've seen the video that I've uploaded yesterday, that I'm only there for 3 days, so I'm going to be looking for another hotel. So I always stay around central Pattaya near the Soybakau area. So we're going to look at 4 hotels today. The first one is Harry's, then we're going to go to the P+, then we're going to go to the Vogue, the Soy Lenki, and then we're going to go to the Debua, and we're going to price them all up for 1 week. I'm staying a little bit longer than that, but wherever I'll just price it up for a week, it's just easier. So yeah, so here we go, we're on Soy Diana now. This is one of the busiest roads in central Pattaya. Over there, you've got the famous LK Metro, the Trench Town, there you go, Champagne A Go-Go, you've got Kink down there, the Billabong, lots of different places. And you've got a good little bar there if you want your food, you want your breakfast or your Sunday roast or whatever. The Nest, very, very good reputation, been there for a long, long time. So here's the first place we're going to be looking to stay. You can just see it there. There we go. Harry's. So my mate Mitch, who's in front of me, he's recommended this place. He said it's really good. You get a lot of golfers stay here. I think it's really cheap as well. He reckons the rooms are good. So let's not get run over. Let's have a look. I want room for 1 week.
One room for 1 week?
How much is it? And what kind of rooms is there? Is it?
Balcony.
Do you have a jacuzzi in there?
Can I show you?
Oh right, okay.
Tak.
There we go.
Tak. Tak.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
From England.
Yeah. Go.
So balcony is this room for this side.
Yeah.
Every floor, the 2 balcony, 1 or 2.
Yeah.
And another room.
Is
1
it?
balcony.
Oh, you've got a topper on the bed, haven't you?
Yes, we
Yeah,
have
mattress
top.
topper on the bed.
Yeah.
And that's quite a soft mattress.
Yeah.
Okay.
Soft.
And the balcony, you can have view down. Oh, there you go. There's the view. Look. So you got great view there, going up to Soybakau and Soy Lenki. 2 balconies. There's one out there as well.
Yes, 2 balcony.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So we're just going to find out how much that is.
800 for there, right, darling? 800 for there.
800 for 1 day. So for 1 week, how much?
So 1 week you can talk with what?
7,000 for 1 week.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm coming in. I'm looking tomorrow. I'm going to have a look at some of the different hotels, and I'll come back later.
So 1 week, 7,000 baht.
7,000 baht. So that's about 160, 170 pounds.
Yeah.
200 and probably $250, something like that. All right. Thank you. No worries. Cheers. Thank you. Okay. So we're just getting onto Suyik site now. We're going to go down to here. Stayed here on the last trip, the P+. Actually, it's a really, really good budget hotel. I was very surprised when I stayed here last time. It's quite cheap as well. And it's got a pool, it's got a fitness centre. You got restaurants there. There's quite a lot of rooms. The rooms are a little bit small. Hopefully she'll show us one. But if not, you can look at a video that I did last time reviewing the place. So here's the P+ now. Here it is. The last room I had, I think we paid about £180 for 10 days here. That was in high season. The only problem we had, it was a room with 2 single beds in. Here's the pool, anyway, I'll show you the pool. Look how quiet it is. Wow, there's nobody, I don't think there's anybody by the pool. Let's just have a quick. Oh, that's why there's nobody by the pool. It's fucking empty. Okay, so I don't think I'll be staying here, because but we'll get a price anyway. excuse me. I stayed here in December for 1 week. I really liked it. And I wanted to know how much it would cost me for a week from tomorrow. All right. Okay, so studio with a twin bed is $859 a night, and that includes breakfast. And the studio with the king bed is $999 a night, includes breakfast. If you didn't want breakfast, is it the same price?
Yes, same price.
Okay, I'll come back. I'm going to have a look around other hotels and I'll come back. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so the promotion they've got on here at the P Plus at the moment for 1 week in June 2026 is how much, Mitch?
6,000 baht is £137.66.
Okay, and how much is that in dollars?
In dollars, it's $184.61.
Okay, so there you go, for 1 week at the P Plus.
Brilliant.
That's really good. But like I say, the pool's empty, but that will be fixed in probably around about 2 or 3 days. But she did say that you can go to, they give you a pass for a different hotel where you can use the pool for free. So not bad, the P Plus. It's probably going to cost you about, she did say that if you wanted a twin bed, so you wanted a big bed, if you wanted the king bed, because the price I've just given you for 2 twins, if you wanted the king bed, it's about 150 baht a night more, so about £3.50 a night more. So you can work that out. Okay, so that's the P Plus. So now we're going to move on to the Vogue in Soi Lenki. So now we're on Soi Lenki. There's lots of things happening down here. You've got a good place on the right there called Kungs, if you can see it. Good, it's got a bit of a reputation for having good breakfasts, and they do Chinese food in there, which I've ate. But this is a good place, Hunger Pangs. This place here. If you want your burgers, honestly, you can't go wrong in there. Hunger Pangs. Barbecue and grill, steakhouse, Smoking Joe's. About 129 for your little breakfast. You got the menus here, your different breakfasts. You've got a full English big breakfast for $249, 2 eggs, 2 pork sausages, back bacon, 2 fried slices, baked beans, tinned or grilled tomatoes, sauté mushrooms, 2 hash browns, black pudding. Blimey, you don't carry me out. Includes orange juice, pineapple juice, tea or coffee. $249 for that. And that's at the American barbecue. Very good. I've heard a lot about this place. I've never been in. People have told, some of my subscribers have asked me to try it out. It's called Flame. It's supposed to have a very, very, very good reputation, and the Sunday roast is supposed to be worth a try in here. Maybe I'll try it on Sunday, we'll see. Okay, so we're going to try and cross the road here in Soi Lenki. There is a scooter coming. He would have stopped. He would have stopped eventually if he'd have hit me. Okay, so we're going to the Vogue Hotel, so we can cut down here. Now I stayed here back 2 years ago. I come out here with my cousin. I stayed here. We had a good. We thought it was good. We stayed in the Golden Sea, which is on Soi Buakhao first. We stayed there for about 3 or 4 days, and then we came here for the rest of the holiday, probably about 2 weeks. And this place was good. I really liked it. There it is. This big hotel. I believe it has 3 pools. I've only seen 2 of them, but I'm pretty sure somebody said there was 3 pools. And the good thing is, there you go. You walk out and you've got a laundry here. So, all your clothes washed and dried. Do you know, there's so many places to stay. You've got so many options. If I can, I'll show you the pools, because they're only out the back. Okay, let's go and see what they say. Hello. Hello there. I'm looking to book a room for 1 week from tomorrow. Can you give me the prices on how much it will cost me, please?
Yes, you need breakfast or no breakfast, sir?
No breakfast.
No breakfast. Normally we sell 1,000 baht per night. If you stay with us for 1 week, we can offer special 950 baht per night.
950 baht per night. So what does that work out to for the whole week? 950 times 7. Can you work that out for me?
You together, right?
So this is nine on special offer, 950. Is that what size is the room? Is that for king bed?
For superior room, sir.
For superior room, okay, that's good. So 950 times 7,
6,650 baht.
which is how much in English, Mitch? Come on, sort it out. While you're here, I'm just going to show the pools. So like I say, you have got 2 pools. There's one there. And you've got one further down there on the right, left. So in pounds, it's
6,650. It's £152.25 or $204.
there you go, £152 or $204 for 1 week here in the Vogue. And I've stayed here before, and it's a really, really good hotel. Okay, thank you. I'm just going to check one more hotel out, and then I'm going to make a decision. I'll come back, possibly come back. Thank you very much for your hospitality. Thank you. Nothing to complain about staying in the Vogue, honestly. The bed's really comfortable as well. So the last place we're going to try, we're going to look at, each one is probably going up a little bit. Got a little bit more facilities, probably a little bit better rooms. I could tell the difference between Harry's room and the P Plus when I stayed in there last time, and definitely the Vogue room is better than the P Plus. A little bit bigger. It will have a king bed as standard, and that was for a superior room. So that could be a pool view, or definitely a front-facing view. And also it has a balcony. That's one thing I forgot to mention. If you want a balcony, Harry's is a great place because it's got 2 balconies. But in the P Plus, there isn't a balcony. You can perhaps get one leg out there. you put your leg out, and that's about it. If you're a smoker, you can probably put your leg out and hang out a bit. Now, for the last hotel, I'm going to take you to the Debua, which is on Soi Buakhao, opposite Soi Boomerang, opposite Playgirls. It's an hotel that was built around about, I would say, COVID time, maybe just before or around about COVID time, so it's pretty new. The only thing with the Debua is when you walk in, there's a big area where you think they could put food on and put breakfast on, but they don't. So there's no options for any food there. I always laugh to myself when I see this junction, how people don't get killed and seriously injured, or there probably has been, but I've never seen anything. But it's a free-for-all. Go whatever direction you want to go in, and just hope for the best. Look at them nice bits of watermelon in there. Alright, Mac. So we're on Soi Buakhao now, heading towards the Debua. Another hotel that I've stayed in is here on the left-hand side. This is really popular as well. Again, probably about the same standard as Harry's, and it's the Sutter's Court.
Alright, crap.
Wow, I'm lost for words. Show him the gentleman, Mitch.
Yeah, there he is.
There he is. Thank you. And there's your tip.
And you know why? Because it's all freshly squeezed oranges. There's all the things. That's freshly squeezed. It's not coming out of a bottle, big like sugar in it. No, It's freshly squeezed orange juice.
Thank you. Recent massages. Yeah, it's a bit dodgy walking down here, honestly. You have to be very careful. You can get run over. But the only thing is, if you're going to get run over, it's probably the best place, the hospital's there. That's a good soy down there. Soy boomerang.
Good down there.
You'll have some good times. And this is one of the best places as well. This is called Playgirls, owned by two Australian brothers. Great place to go. So here we are. This is the Debua. Let's go and see how much it is. Hello. Hello. I stay here many times before. How much if I'm looking for a room from tomorrow?
For tomorrow?
For tomorrow, how much is it for 1 week?
Yeah.
1,000.
1,400 per night.
No, this 1,400 per night.
1,360 baht per night.
1,200. And what rooms for that for? Is that the superior room?
Yeah. Superior 1,400 and standard room 1,060 baht. 1,360
So how much is it?
baht.
Can you give me a price for 7 days?
Which size you want?
The cheap room, the standard.
Standard. อาทิตย์หนึ่ง
Okay, so for 1 week it's 9,520 baht, which in pounds, Mitch, that works out to so 9,520 for a standard room with
In pounds, £218.
£218 for a week.
$292.
Or $292. Okay, so it's the next day now. So I've made my choice of what hotel I'm going to stay at. And here it is. It's the Debua. It's probably my favourite hotel here in Pattaya. The location's great. It has a nice smart TV there, so I can put YouTube on and all the channels that I follow as well. It's got a really most comfortable bed I've selected. Desk there. It's got a balcony. And I'll show you the bathroom as well. So really nice. It's a really modern place and a nice rain shower there. Honestly, for me, it's the best hotel. So if you remember yesterday when we came here, we spoke to a lady, and for a standard room, it was £218 for the week. Now, always, one tip for you, always check on Agoda what that price is before you purchase a hotel here and pay cash or pay for your card, pay on card. And I basically went onto Agoda, seen this hotel, and for a superior room for 7 nights, so a better room with a balcony, was £200. So I saved £18 by just going on Agoda alone. So always do that. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Got loads more videos coming up. Thanks for all the likes, the comments, the shares. And also, we've reached the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely fantastic. Never thought I'd get there. Been a lot of hard work, but loved every minute of it. Planning to do something special for that, perhaps going live. We're going to try and find a bar over the next few days, and maybe, hopefully, we can do a live and maybe 1 or 2 of you will tune in. All right, then, cheers. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.